Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two trading apps. Choosing the right online brokerage is essential for successful investing. Here's a detailed comparison of Firstrade and Zacks Trade to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both Firstrade and Zacks Trade offer a variety of account types to cater to different investment needs. Firstrade offers individual and joint brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and custodial accounts. Zacks Trade provides individual and joint accounts, retirement accounts, and corporate accounts. Trading platforms. Understanding the capabilities of trading platforms is crucial for investors. Firstrade features the Firstrade Navigator platform, a web-based trading platform with advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and a customizable interface. Zacks Trade offers a robust trading platform with Zacks Trade Pro, providing advanced charting, technical analysis tools, and real-time data. Investment options. Both brokers provide a wide array of investment choices. Firstrade allows trading in stocks, mutual funds, and fixed income securities. Zacks Trade provides access to ETFs, options, and bonds. Research and education. Both platforms provide extensive resources to help investors make informed decisions. Firstrade offers research from providers like Morningstar, Briefing.com, and Zacks. Zacks Trade provides access to Zacks investment research, including Zacks Rank and other proprietary research tools. Customer service. Reliable customer support is essential for addressing any issues or questions. Firstrade provides customer support via phone, email, and live chat during business hours. Zacks Trade offers customer support via phone and email during business hours. Mobile experience. A strong mobile app is vital for trading on the go. Firstrade, the mobile app includes comprehensive trading capabilities, real-time quotes, and portfolio management tools. Zacks Trade offers a mobile app with robust features, including trading, real-time data, charting, and account management. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers can add value for new investors. Firstrade frequently offers promotions such as cash bonuses for new accounts, free trades, and transfer fee rebates. Zacks Trade occasionally provides promotions like commission rebates for new accounts and referral bonuses, adding value for new users. User interface and experience. Ease of use can significantly impact the investing experience. Firstrade's platforms are intuitive, with easy navigation and robust tools for both beginners and advanced traders. Zacks Trade features a more advanced interface designed for active and experienced traders. Conclusion. Both Firstrade and Zacks Trade offer comprehensive services and tools for different types of investors. Firstrade is ideal for cost-conscious investors seeking commission-free trading and a user-friendly platform. Zacks Trade, with its advanced tools and competitive margin rates, appeals to active traders and those interested in international markets. Evaluating individual needs and preferences is key to choosing the right broker. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.